Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review. Now this is a sneak peek. I was sent this by Nitecore and they wanted me to kind of show everybody in my group on Facebook, including my fans of YouTube, also my fans on Top Buzz. I want to thank you all for watching my videos and sharing my videos as well. So this is what they sent me here. This is a new and upcoming product here. This is the MT42. Now this is a more of a dedicated thrower, but it is compact enough. Takes two 18-650s. So let's go ahead and take a look at it up close here. Does have a side switch there for you. A lot of heat sinking. It's got a lot of tactical feel to this too. Now again, I just want to thank Nitecore for sending me this to review. And does have a tail switch as well. Finish, of course, is outstanding. No sharp edges at all on this sample. It's got some knurling here. It's got some knurling here on the tail cap too. So let's go ahead and take it apart, show you the head of the light here. And there is a spring under this, as you can see. Show you the tail end here. Well greased threads. Fast here. Alright, and I'll show you the cells that I'm going to be using in this test. This is the eFest 18650. This is an unprotected cell, 2500 milliamps, button top. Alright, so let's get this light together and then we'll go through the UI. Snug. To activate the light, of course, you're going to use the tail switch. That turns it on. And then next thing you're going to do is you're going to go through the light outputs. (1800 lumens). Feel the heat of the light from here, and then goes back down. Now from any light output you can get turbo by pressing and holding that side switch here. And then of course you have double click will get you strobe. Now this strobe here is very quick. Then of course you have one click, it will go back down to the regular light output that you had it on last. So for example, if I put it on turbo, go to strobe, it goes right back to the last light output that you had it on. UI is real simple. Lock out the light, that's always a plus to have that tail switch. Alright, so now let's show you the LED. This is running the Cree XHP35 high LED. Smooth reflector there. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nitecore MT42 prototype. When I turn it on, and we're going to go ahead, so there it is, making 38 feet out there. Show it on the fence. Really nice low output. We're going to go to the next level. Usually making 65 feet there. Making the tree of life. Alright, so we're going to go to the next level. Spills come alive. Making it across the park. Pretty incredible. Fence line, tree line. Nice performance on this so far. Okay, so we're going to go up to the next level here. Nice. Making it across the park with ease now. Very nice. It's got some nice throwing range on this. Faintly making the palm trees there. So now we're going to go up to the next level here. And there she is, look at that. 1800 lumens. This is great. All the way across the park. Beam profile is very nice. Usually making the school, of course. And there's the palm trees, look at that. Shining on that further one in the background. Alright, we're going to end it here on the Tree of Life. Very nice. Alright, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is an incredible performing flashlight again from Nitecore. Build quality is outstanding. Machining, finish, styling, everything is excellent. Performance on this light is pretty amazing, not only because you can run two 18650s for extended run times, the ability for it to be able to throw light out there long distances. Beam definitely more of a dedicated thrower, and because the beam to me is more of a thrower, so this kind of nice long barrel light to be able to have that, even if you're using for law enforcement, use as self-defense, just really top notch on this light. Okay, so at this time it is unknown when this will be released, but I will update this sneak peek when it is updated. Now you will be able to get this from the Nitecore store here in the US, and I will update the description area at that time here on this video review. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek of this brand new upcoming new product. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.